Hello everyone, welcome to Miglani Realtors. We Miglani Realtors having 14 years of experience in real estate deals in most magnificent builder floor in Gurugram to match your luxury lifestyle. So let us take a sneak peek among one of the most lavish builder floors in DLF. So finally we are here at the property. It's a 502 square yards builder floor. It's a top floor with exclusive terrace rights. So now let me show you the property. Here we are in the dining cum lounge area. You can see all the details are basically in brown and white, which is very trendy nowadays. You can see this wall, this is right here just for your TV. We have this big door right here in which you get biometric access, which is your thumbprint. You can access it with your thumbprint. You can even unlock it with just clicking this button. So now let me show you the whole area. This is the door that goes into the other room. We have this wooden wall, very captivating, very detailed also. We can see all these wallpaper exclusively imported. So now let me show you the living area. We have this glass door for separation of cooling. We come inside. It's a very spacious living room. We have all these glass ceilings, very lavish. You can see this detailed with golden strips and mostly in grey colors, very trendy. You can see all these Italian flooring. We have this wallpaper, very detailed, handcrafted, and we have again the centralized AC which you can access from this board right here. Now let me show you the mesh sliding door. It's a sliding door which separates your balcony for better cooling. So now let me show you the other room. So now let me take you to our very first bedroom right here. Across the lounge area, mostly the bedrooms and the dining area are attached with your lounge area. First of all, we get split AC in this room. Especially every room has split AC on its own. We have this paneling for your bed head. We have this right here mesh doors, sliding mesh doors for cross ventilation. All the lightings from Havells. We have this wooden paneling for your TV. Also, we have tannium floor like everywhere else. So now let me show you the washroom it comes attached with. All the fittings from Vitra, very nice interior. We have this huge giant mirror with very nice lighting. We have this shower cabinet, all the lightings again from Havel. And yeah, this is your bathroom. So now let me take you to the kitchen. We have mostly interior are in olive color. As you can see, it looks very nice. This again mesh lighting windows as like other rooms. With attached balcony, you can enjoy anytime you want. We have all these cabinets, very spacious. You can keep all your things like cookies, whatever you want to eat. This gas stove from Whirlpool, again chimney from Whirlpool, microwave oven from Whirlpool. These cabinets very spacious. You can open them all whenever you want. We have this whole area for your fridge and this area for whenever you want to wash your dishes like this. Again, switches from Havells. So yeah, this is your kitchen. Now let me take you to the other room. So now let us take you to the master bedroom. We have this wooden door right here. This is a very spacious bedroom. That's why we call it a master room. We have this split AC. Split AC actually comes with every bedroom. This again mesh lighting windows that comes in every room, lounge area, living area, everywhere you get a mesh lighting window. We have these panels right here. You can put all your arts, whatever you want to decorate it with. All these lightings, these are from Havells. We have this wooden flooring right here. Again, this cabinet very spacious. You can put all your belongings, everything that you want, you can keep in here. We have all these closets, very spacious. Everything will come in it. And also you get lights inside it. So now let me take you to the bathroom that it comes attached with. We have this huge mirror right here. You can access the lighting like this. It illuminates, looks very nice. All the fittings from Vitra. When you see right here, we have this shower area. Again, all the lightings are from Havells. And now let me show you the other room. So now we are entering to our second master bedroom. When you enter, you get this wooden door right here. You can see all the lightings are again from Havells. Very nice looking wall, very nice details in grey. We have little mirror details also right here. Take a look around. And now we have this again a mesh door, sliding mesh door for cross conditioning. We have balcony, very nice view attached with every bedroom. So now let's explore our second master bathroom attached with our second master bedroom. Again, this huge grand mirror right here. You can again access the lights like this. It illuminates very nicely. We have this shower cabinet area, very huge. Actually, it's huger than the other one that we showed you, the master bedroom. Here we have all the switches right here. You can access it. These are also from Havells. And in front of me there is a sliding cabinet. I'll just show you. Very spacious. It also illuminates. So yeah, this is your second master bathroom. Now let me take you to the other bedroom. So now let me take you to the fourth bedroom. I have shown you one bedroom, two master bedroom. Now this is the fourth one. When you enter, you get this wooden door. Again, we have this washroom right here. I'll cover it on later. You get this TV area. It has wooden panels right here. Now if we take a look around, we get this again mesh lighting windows for cross ventilation. Again, it has a attached balcony like every other bedroom. Now if you give a look around, it has wall panel. We get wooden floor right here. And now let me show you the washroom. So now we are entering in the bathroom of our fourth bedroom. When you enter, you get this closet right here, very spacious. Looks very nice also. We have this mirror right here and all these fittings are from Vitra. You get the shower cabinet. All these walls are specially made of marbles. And again, lightings are from Havel. And yeah, take a look around. So now we are here in the terrace area. You get this lift right here so that you can access your terrace area with the lift. When you enter, you get this huge Buddha statue right here. You get to see the sunset, sunrise also, looks very nice. And when you look around, you get this huge bar area so that you can, whenever you want to party and chill and all, you can use that area. Let me take you to the other side of the terrace. All these walls looks very, very pretty. We have this huge paragola right here, which you can use according to your convenience. Also, we have attached bathroom in the terrace area right here. Also, you can see the view. View is very nice. You can see the DLF building right here. The view is very, very captivating. So yeah, this is your terrace area. And the best part of this property is that you get parking space for 3 cars. And now with this, we have come to an end of our property tour. We do hope you liked our video, so stay tuned for more of our property related videos. And remember, one call will surely make a difference, as we do have many options available in our collection.